The Robotics and Mechatronics Technology program at South Texas College prepares students to troubleshoot and maintain the industrial machinery that keeps today's industries running. Students develop hands-on skills working with mechanical, electrical, pneumatic, and automated systems while learning how to diagnose and repair complex equipment. Our program is also one of the first in the nation to integrate artificial intelligence into the manufacturing industry. These skills are in demand across a wide range of industries, from manufacturing facilities to hospitals and many other organizations that rely on advanced machinery. It's a rewarding career path with excellent opportunities for long-term growth. Graduates can pursue careers as industrial maintenance technicians, mechatronics technicians, robotics operators, and many other roles focused on maintaining and troubleshooting automated equipment. Career opportunities exist across many industries. Manufacturing companies rely on skilled technicians to keep production equipment operating efficiently. Cities and municipalities maintain machinery such as compressors and other essential systems. Hospitals also depend on complex equipment that requires regular maintenance and repair. Students can earn a Robotics and Mechatronics Technology certificate in just 1 year. The certificate program is completed over 2 semesters, providing a fast pathway into a high-demand career. Both of our programs are guided by industry advisory boards made up of employers from companies across the region. These industry partners help shape our curriculum to ensure students are learning the skills employers need most. Because these companies are actively involved in the program, they're often looking to hire our graduates as they complete their training. Their partnership helps ensure our students are prepared for today's workforce and ready to succeed from day one. Our Robotics and Mechatronics Technology program exists because there is a real and growing demand for skilled technicians in our community. These careers are essential, and the opportunities continue to grow.